In this lesson, we're going to learn how to write equations of lines. This is the first in a four-part series on this topic. In this video, we're going to focus on how to write the slope-intercept form of a line when given the slope and the y-intercept, or when given the graph of a line. Let's start by thinking about what we already know. The slope-intercept form of a line is y equals mx plus b. M represents the slope, which is the steepness and the direction of the line. B represents the y-intercept. We can use this information to write the equations. In our first example, we want to write the equation for a line whose slope is 3 and the y-intercept is 5. We want to write the equation in slope-intercept form, which means it's going to have the form y equals mx plus b. In the problem, they tell us that the slope, or the m, is equal to 3. They also tell us that the y-intercept, or the b value, is equal to 5. We can substitute these numbers in place of m and b in the equation. When we do so, we have y equals m is 3, x, plus b is 5. So the equation of the line that has a slope of 3 and a y-intercept of 5 is y equals 3x plus 5. Here's an example for you to try. Can you write the equation for a line whose slope is 4/5 and that the y-intercept is 8? Remember to write the line in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Please pause the video here and come back when you're ready to compare answers. Let's see how you did. The problem tells us that the slope is 4/5 and the y-intercept is 8. We substitute these values into the equation. Y equals m is 4/5, x, and b is 8. So y equals 4/5 x plus 8. This is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. In the next example, we're going to look at a graph. Write the equation of the line shown on the graph in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form means y equals mx plus b. In order to write the equation, we need to know the slope and the y-intercept. We look at the graph and we see the y-intercept where the line passes through the y-axis. In this case, the y-intercept is at -3. We then need to find the slope. We notice that to move from one point to the next, we have to go up 1 and then to the right 2. That means our slope is 1/2, or 1/2. We can substitute these values into the equation, y equals mx plus b, so we have y equals 1/2 x, and then plus b, -3, so -3. Y equals 1/2 x minus 3 is the equation of the line shown on the graph in slope-intercept form. Here's an example for you to try. Can you write the equation of the line shown on the graph in slope-intercept form? Remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Please pause the video here and come back when you're ready to compare your answers. Let's see how you did. We begin by identifying the y-intercept on the graph. The y-intercept is where the line passes through the y-axis, and we see that here at 6. So the y-intercept, or the b value, is 6. Now we need to identify the slope. To move from the point on the y-intercept to the next point on the graph, we have to move down 2 and then right 1. That means our slope, or the m value, is -2/1. We substitute these values into the equation, y equals mx plus b. Y equals m, which is -2/1, or -2, x, and then plus the b value, which is 6. The equation of the line, written in slope-intercept form, is y equals -2x plus 6. That's everything you need to know to get started writing the equation of a line in slope-intercept form when given the slope and y-intercept, or when given a graph. You can learn more about writing equations of lines in the subsequent parts of this video. You can also learn more about linear functions in Mr. Dorey's Algebra Handbook, available at www.doreypublications.com.